वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बीएससी पार्ट 3 के बॉटनी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए पेपर 1 के यूनिट 2 में से लिया गया टॉपिक फोटोसिंथेसिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। फोटोसिंथेसिस वह प्रक्रिया है जिसमें क्लोरोफिल सेल्स जल, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तथा क्लोरोफिल की सहायता से सूर्य के प्रकाश की उपस्थिति में अकार्बनिक पदार्थ दैट इज ऑर्गेनिक फूड मटेरियल्स का निर्माण करते हैं। द एग्जैक्ट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस एज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ converting light energy into chemical energy was established by Robert Mayer in 1845. Photosynthesis literally means the synthesis with the help of light. All the green plants carrying out photosynthesis are called as autotrophic plants. तो जो प्लांट्स अपना भोजन स्वयं बनाते हैं वो ऑटोट्रॉप्स कहलाते हैं, और जो दूसरों पर निर्भर करते हैं वो, ये आपको मालूम है, हेटेरोट्रॉप्स कहते हैं। फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या है, इसको हम विभिन्न परिभाषाएं के द्वारा समझ सकते हैं। जैसे कि हरे पौधों को द्वारा प्रकाश ऊर्जा को अवशोषित कर उसे जैव रासायनिक ऊर्जा में परिवर्तित करने की प्रक्रिया प्रकाश संश्लेषण कहलाती है। यह एक ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन रिएक्शन है जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के अपचयन द्वारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का निर्माण होता है, जबकि जल के ऑक्सीकरण द्वारा ऑक्सीजन का निर्माण होता है। हरे पौधे प्रकाश व जल की उपस्थिति में सरल पदार्थों को जटिल कार्बनिक पदार्थों में परिवर्तित कर देते हैं। इस प्रक्रिया को फोटोसिंथेसिस कहते हैं। तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस in which carbon dioxide and water are converted into glucose and oxygen in the chlorophyllous tissue in the presence of sunlight. In this process, light energy is converted into solar energy. It is also called carbon assimilation because carbon of carbon dioxide is incorporated into sugar. So you can see with the help of the diagram, the water, carbon dioxide and sunlight are the raw materials which are taken up by the plants and are converted into sugar molecules, and oxygen is released. Now, what is the apparatus, photosynthetic apparatus? Chloroplasts are the sites of photosynthesis. They are green plastids present in the green leaf area cells. They are present in palisade and spongy parenchyma cells of the leaf and in the cells of the green stem. So, अगर हम क्लोरोप्लास्ट जिसमें कि फोटोसिंथेसिस की रिएक्शन होते हैं, इसका अगर हम डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो वी कैन से द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज बाउंडेड बाय 2 unit membranes which are which is approximately 50 angstrom thick and consists of lipids and proteins. Internally, the chloroplast is filled with a hydrophilic matrix called as stroma, in which are embedded grana. Each grana are placed one above the other like the stacks of a coin, and they are called as thylakoids. The thylakoid encloses a space called the loculus. The thylakoids consist of alternating layers of lipids and proteins. The two thylakoids of the grana are connected with each other by the stroma laminae or the fret membranes. Chlorophylls and other photosynthetic pigments are confined to grana, and they are the sites of the primary photochemical reaction. तो ये अल्ट्रा स्ट्रक्चर है क्लोरोप्लास्ट का। और जो फोटोसिंथेटिक पिगमेंट्स होते हैं ये 3 प्रकार के होते हैं: दी क्लोरोफिल्स, कैरोटीनॉइड्स, फाइकोबिलेंस। Chlorophylls and carotenoids are insoluble in water and can be extracted only with organic solvents. On the other hand, phycobilins are soluble in water. Carotenoids include carotenes and xanthophylls. Different pigments absorb light of different wavelengths and show the absorption peak. They show property of inflorescence. So this is the ultrastructure of the chloroplast, and to summarize, we can say the chloroplast is bounded by two membranes, an outer membrane and inner membrane, and which are separated from one another by a space called periplastidial space. Interior of the chloroplast is filled with a proteinaceous matrix which is called the stroma, and this is the site for the dark reaction of photosynthesis. The matrix contains thylakoids, which is bounded by a single membrane which encloses a cavity called loculus. Photosynthetic pigments are embedded in the thylakoid membrane, and the photosynthetic pigments they exist in groups called contosomes. इसको हम डिटेल जब हम फोटोसिंथेसिस लेंगे तो हम पढ़ेंगे contosomes क्या हैं. Thylakoids perform the light reaction of photosynthesis. Now the steps of photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis takes place in 2 steps. Now this diagram shows the summary of the photosynthesis. Steps of photosynthesis. First, the light reaction. Reactions taking place in presence of light. What happens in light reaction? Carbon dioxide and water enter the leaf. Light hits the pigment in the membrane of a thylakoid, splitting the water and carbon dioxide. The electrons move down to enzymes. Sunlight hits the second pigment molecule, allowing the enzymes to convert ADP to ATP, and NADP gets converted into NADPH. So, what are the steps which are dependent on light? सबसे पहले एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब होती है फ्रॉम द सन. वाटर ब्रेक डाउन होता है. वाटर इज ब्रोकन डाउन. Hydrogen ions are transported across the thylakoid membrane. Energy is absorbed by the sun, and NADPH is produced from NADP. Hydrogen ions diffuse through the protein channel. ADP becomes converted into ATP. Now the second reaction of photosynthesis, the thermochemical reaction. This figure shows that the photosynthesis process is broadly divided into two: the light dependent reactions and the dark reactions. The dark reactions are also called as the Calvin cycle. तो हमने लाइट डिपेंडेंट रिएक्शंस में देखा कि हमें ATP और NADPH2 प्राप्त हो रहा है, जो कि यूज्ड होता है डार्क रिएक्शन में. नाउ व्हाट इज द डार्क रिएक्शन which is independent? The ATP and NADPH is used by the Calvin cycle as a power source for converting carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into simple sugar, the glucose. The Calvin cycle converts 3 carbon dioxide molecules from the atmosphere to glucose. Thus, the Calvin cycle is the second major stage in the photosynthesis, which follows the light reaction and involves atmospheric carbon dioxide fixation and reduction of the fixed carbon into carbohydrates. Now, this is the general equation of photosynthesis. ये photosynthesis प्रक्रिया की एक general chemical equation है. This general formula for photosynthesis was proposed by Van Niel. He proved that oxygen comes from water during photosynthesis and not from carbon dioxide. The reaction of carbon dioxide does not require light. Light supplied energy during the photochemical reaction for the transfer of hydrogen to carbon dioxide. तो ये जो रिएक्शन है ये बता रहा है फेट ऑफ डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स इन फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस में जो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं उनका फेट बता रहा है, उनकी बता रहा है कि डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के क्या होता है. The carbon dioxide diffuses into chloroplast through the stomata and water diffuses into chloroplast from xylem of the leaf. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कहाँ से आ रहा है? जो एटमॉस्फेयर का वो डिफ्यूज़ होता है क्लोरोप्लास्ट में स्टोमाटा के द्वारा. और जो वाटर कहाँ से डिफ्यूज़ होता है? वाटर जो डिफ्यूज़ होता है क्लोरोप्लास्ट में कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द xylem of the leaf. 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 12 water molecules combine to form one glucose molecule, giving out 6 molecules of water and 6 molecules of oxygen. Different atoms of carbon dioxide and water undergo molecular rearrangements to form glucose and water. The water is split into 2H ions and half oxygen by photolysis. Half of the H plus ions are used to reduce carbon in carbon dioxide to form sugar, and the rest is used for forming water along with oxygen coming from the carbon dioxide. The oxygen coming from water is released out in the air by diffusion. So the sugar residues thus formed are converted into starch and released into the cytoplasm of these cells. One molecule of glucose has about 686 kilocalories of energy. So this is the general reaction of photosynthesis. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में हम फोटोसिंथेसिस का डिटेल्ड मैकेनिज्म स्टडी करेंगे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर नाउ. थैंक यू.